Classifications based upon sources: natural polymer, synthetic polymer, natural polymer, polymer which are found in nature, that is in animal and plant. For example, starch, cellulose, protein, natural rubber. Natural rubber is prepared from latex of rubber tree Hevea brasiliensis. Chemically, natural rubber is polyisopropyl. This cis polyisopropyl is known as natural rubber, while the trans polyisopropyl is known as a gutta-percha. CH2 double bond CH3 double bond CH2N isoprene 2-methyl 1,3 butadiene CH2C CH3 double bond CH double bond CH2N polyisoprene natural rubber. Synthetic polymers. The man-made polymers are called synthetic polymers. Nylon 6,6 polyethylene. Vulcanizations given by Charles Goodyear. During the vulcanization process, cross-links of sulfur are introduced between the polymeric chains. Rubber plus 3 to 5% sulfur. By this process, tensile strength, elasticity, and resistance to abrasions of natural rubber can be increased. Classifications based on the molecular force. Polymers in which the intermolecular force of attractions between the polymers chain are weakest are called the elastomers. Elastomers are amorphous with high degree of elasticity, that is, they have ability to stretch out over 10 times their normal length and returns to the original positions when the force is withdrawn. Weak van der Waals force of attractions permit the polymer chain to be stretched, and the cross links help the polymer to come back to original positions when the force is withdrawn. Natural rubber, vulcanized rubber, Bunaess. Fibers. Polymers in which the intermolecular force of attraction are the strongest are called fibers. These forces are either due to H bonding or dipole-dipole interactions. Due to a strong force of attraction, fibers have high tensile strength and least elasticity. Nylon, H bonding, polyesters and polyacrylonitrile DD interactions. Thermoplastics, polymers in which the intermolecular force of attractions are in between those of elastomers and fibers are called thermoplastic. These are the linear polymers which are hard at the room temperature, become soft and viscous on heating, again rigid on cooling. Polythene, polystyrene, polyvinyl chloride, Teflon, etc. Thermosetting polymers. These are the semi-fluid substances with low molecular weight, which heated in a mold undergo change in chemical compositions to give a hard, infusible, and insoluble mass. This on heating this hardening on heating is due to extensive cross linking between the different polymer chain to give a three-dimensional network solid. Bakelite, urea, formaldehyde, melamine, formaldehyde, ebonite. Ebonite is high sulfur 20 to 30% as rubber and is obtained by vulcanizations of the natural rubber. Homopolymer, copolymer, homopolymer, copolymer. Repeating a structural unit is derived from only one type of monomer unit, polythene, PVC, PAN. Repeating a structural unit are derived from two or more type of monomers unit, nylon 66, Buna S, polyester. Linear polymer, polythene, nylon, polyesters. Branched chain polymer, glycogen, amylopectin. Three-dimensional network polymer, bakelite, malmec. Bipolymer, DNA. Classifications on the basis of synthesis. Classifications on basis of synthesis. Chain growth polymers. These polymers are formed by successive additions of molecules without loss of simple molecules like H2O, NH3, etc. to growing chain carrying a reactive intermediate such as free radical, carbocation or carbanion. For example, polythene, polystyrene, PVC, Teflon, neoprene. Step growth polymers. These are the formed through independent reactions. Each such involves the condensations bond formations between the two difunctional monomers molecules to form dimers, which in the turn produce tetramers, and soon with the loss of the simple molecules like H2O, NH3, etc. Polymer is formed in a stepwise manner. The process is called a step growth polymerizations. Nylon 66, bakelite. Nomex. Nomex is a polyamide made from M-thylic acid and M-diamino benzene. It has a fire resistant properties used in the protective clothing for firefighters, astronauts, and race car drivers. Natural silk. It is protein or polypeptide. Rayon. Rayon was the originally called artificial silk, but now the name rayon is given to all the fibers obtained by a chemical treatment of cellulose. Thus, the artificial silk is the polysaccharide, that is a cellulose derivative. Kevlar. Kevlar is a nylon polymer and is obtained by the condensations copolymerizations of the p-phenyl in diamine. The fibers of this polymer are so strong that they are used to make bulletproof vests. Waste. Thicol. Thicol is the polysulfide rubber and is obtained by the condensation polymerizations of the ethylene chloride and sodium tetrasulfide.